My name is Janet Zipper, and I sought the Fraxel treatment at Union Square Laser Dermatology. When I was younger, I was a sun worshiper, and I really wasn't too concerned with wearing sunscreen. And as I aged, I realized that I had an even skin tone with, blotchiness.
As we age, we break down our collagen and elastic tissue faster than we can repair it. When we get ultraviolet damage, this happens much more quickly. This thins our skin and causes fine lines and wrinkles that we see as evidence of aging.
In my line of work, my face is my calling card because I'm a life coach, motivational speaker. I get photographed all the time, so people remember your face. I sought the treatment because I wanted to look my best and feel my best. Before the treatment, I tried some over-the-counter creams. I thought, well, they're not really working, so I need to look for something else. I started researching other treatments, and what I liked about the Fraxel was that it addressed all my concerns. I said, wow, this is going to take care of all those issues for me.
Each patient is unique and each patient has unique skin needs. So when we see patients in consultation, I will discuss with them what their desires are, what they want to improve.
I was impressed the moment that I walked into Union Square Laser Dermatology. Everyone there was so welcoming. The atmosphere, just the energy, so peaceful and serene. And I just immediately felt like, wow, I really like being here.
On Janet, we performed Fraxel dual treatment. This is a non-ablative fractionated laser resurfacing treatment where lasers will penetrate the skin and make microscopic holes in the skin that cause a wound healing response. This wound healing response puts down new collagen and elastic tissue, rejuvenating the skin. Oftentimes, multiple treatments are needed to achieve the end result, but in general, she'll see improvement even within 2 weeks' time.
My skin looks so incredible. I have had people who haven't seen me in a while stop me on the street asking me, what did you do? You have this glow about you and you look great. And whether I want to wear makeup or not wear makeup, I feel good. Before, I used to be worried and constantly check my face in the mirror when I was in an event. I've noticed that I'm not even doing that. I'm not worried about what my face looks like. So the confidence definitely has gone up. And that's great because whatever you do, whatever job you do, if you feel confident, that makes you feel so much better.